Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley, and this is another TS Tech Talks video. In today's video guys, I'm going to be reviewing the Facebook community rules and the violation. So recently Facebook actually improved their community rules and violation on comment section. So I actually made a comment and Facebook kind of flagged it as an improper comment, although it's actually an improper comment because of the way I used the words. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what word I used, and I hope I won't be criticized for that. I'm going to show you guys what word I used, the reason why they said I violated, and actually where to see Facebook community violation, and then how long you are going to spend on Facebook locked out or Facebook detention on their Facebook community violation. Now, let me show you guys from my screenshot, because I took a screenshot when this was happening. This is actually what I got when that actually happened. Sorry, I blurred out the message I sent. But if you notice here, it says your comment goes against our community standard or hate speech and interfere or inferiority. Actually, it's actually landed on inferiority. I'm going to show you guys. I hope I don't get criticized for showing you guys whatever it is. So it says only people who manage this account can see this. So I'm the only one that was seeing it. And now let me go ahead and show you guys what happens if I try to make a post on Facebook. Now open Facebook, and now I will not be able to make a post or a comment on Facebook. Now let me try to make a post. You will see. Now you notice it gives me that same option. You can't post or comment for 19 hours. Now this is the law that I'm actually going to have to face, and I have to wait for 19 hours before I'll be able to start making posts. And I've actually had this in the past, but this is a bit different. Now you can notice it says this is because 2 of your previous posts didn't follow our community standards. Now you notice the first post was on 17th of March, which is actually today. You notice today's date is 17th of March, and the previous one is on the 14th of March. This is because it's 2. When I had only one of them, I was still able to post and do any other thing. But this one now is 2. So that's the reason why I have to wait for 19 hours to be able to start posting again. Now, if you want to review this stuff, there is a way to review it, but let me first show you guys on the notification area. Click on the notification. You're still going to see where it has that community. Now, there you go. It says your comment goes against our community standards. So when you click on that, you are still going to see the same screenshot just like before. Okay, this one is a bit different. It says we confirm that your comment didn't follow our standards. So we reviewed your comment again, and it doesn't follow our community standard. Usually whenever you go against the community standard, it gives you an option to appeal. So after you might have appealed, it's going to actually review it for the second time, which is probably manually, and once you review it manually, it goes against it. And this is actually the comment. I'm very sorry for making this comment, but it depending on what it depending on the context of the comment. And somebody posted something related to something in a group, and then I left my comment. That was actually my opinion then. So now let me show you guys more of how to view your community standard violation. Now click on the menu section, scroll right down to where it has help and support. Click on the help and support, and you notice where it has support inbox. Right now, go ahead and click on support inbox. Now everything or every violation you have, it's actually going to be displayed here. Now my violation now is displaying 1. Initially it was 2, so this is displaying 1. If you try to look at this comment section, or you look at this area, you are going to see some other previous appeal I have made under a different violation. But for my community violation, I have to click on your violation. To click on your violation, you are going to see actually what went against the community standard. Now you notice the first one is actually when I made a video, and then this second one, this first one was accepted, actually went successfully, and then this last one is actually the one I had today. And if you click on this option, you'll be able to see more detail, and if you click on the previous messages, you'll be able to see the message that actually went against the community standard. And now let me back out and show you the first one. This is actually the first one. It says no, he will be killed, he will be like I will kill you. I mean, so this is actually, these messages are from a they are all from an anime comment section. So that's where I actually got all these community standards from. And then this other one right here is actually a video I created, so it's also against their violation. But when they reviewed this, they actually accepted it and actually won this violation because I made a tutorial video which they said went against their violation, but I actually won that case. But on this last two, I didn't win them when they reviewed it the second time. So that is actually my violation, and I will not be able to make any post. You notice I will not be able to make any post or to leave any comment anywhere on Facebook until after 19 hours. Then after 19 hours, I'll be able to make posts and make comments like usual, and there is nothing left, or there is nothing that will be wrong with it. So thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful in a way, please smash the like button, subscribe. If not, I will see you on my next video. And guys, please be careful with the Facebook. The way Facebook are going right now is really crazy. Facebook are actually coming out with all of their community standard and being more serious with the community standard violations. So you guys should be very careful with the way you make use of comments and leave comment on your Facebook section. So see you guys soon. Peace.